I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to disable automatic heart rate monitoring. This, of course, drains a lot of battery, and if you want to save some battery, that's one of the things you might want to do. So go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to Health, tap on that, and then you should see heart rate. By default, it's set to check heart rate every 10 minutes while you're still. So if you tap on that, you can see an even more drastic option, which is to measure continuously. So one heart rate measurement after the other. But of course, we want to turn off automatic heart rate measuring. So you select manual only. So that means your watch will no longer measure heart rate automatically, of course, unless you're doing a workout. Okay, so anytime you're still, your watch will not measure your heart rate. Of course, if you want to measure your heart rate, you can always go to the heart rate app on the watch and measure it from there. So you can find it either here or in the tiles. Okay, that's basically how to measure, or rather how to disable automatic heart rate measuring on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.